Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will learn that prime factors are factors of composite numbers which are prime numbers. And prime factorization means that we are going to express a composite number as a product of its prime factors. That means all the prime factors, we are going to put it as prime numbers. So find the prime factorization of this number 12. So from here, we have two methods to do that. One would be the factor tree method, where we will start with 12 right at the top, and every time we divide, we will divide by the smallest prime number first. So prime numbers, it will be good if you see at the top, we do bear in mind the following first few prime number. That will help us a lot. So I see the first prime number is 2. Can 12 divide by 2? Yes. And after that, I focus back on my 6 because 6 can be further broken down into prime factors. And 6, I can break it down into 2 and 3. And I stop once I see that all the factors are prime number. And we end with prime numbers. And so in this case, 12 will be equals to 2 times 2 times 3. And if I want to write it as an index notation, which we will learn later on, 2 times 2 can be written as 2 power 2 times 3. Now, the other method is called a successive division method, where we actually have the number 12 here, and I'm going to divide by, again, we go for the smallest prime number first, which is 2. That will give me 6. And again, I try to divide by the smallest number first. At this point is 2. And that will give me 3. And for this, divide by 3, I end off with 1. And where are the prime numbers? Where are the factors? The factors are all here. So therefore, again, you will see that it is the same. They will yield the same answer. So the final answer will be 12 is equals to 2 power 2 times 3. And so, this is to note when we talk about prime factorization of 12, we want to see all the factors in terms of prime factors. So in this case is 2 power 2 times 3. Whereas, if they talk about factors of 12, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 6, and there's 12. So you see, they're asking for two different things. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.